Welcome to the channel. Today I want to discuss the color coordinating bow staffs for your students or my students, and just kind of give you what we kind of came up with, me and my mom. My mom is a 2nd degree black belt under me. I'm a 4th degree black belt, so she's been my student from day one. I've trained her from the ground up, and she really loves martial arts. And so in my color belt curriculum, from white belt all the way up to recommended black belt, my Mugi Dragons all the way up to my adults, they're going to be learning the bow staff. There's forms that we teach with every block system. I'm not going to get too much into that, but they're just going to be working on the bow staff for their color belt journey, and then once they get to black belt, then they have a couple other weapons that they can choose, but they'll have to go to a camp and do that. This is just a introduction to a weapon that they can actually test with. If they like it, they can stick with it. If not, there's a couple other weapons that they can choose once they hit that black belt. But my mom came up with this idea, and I really like this idea because I've been running into a problem where I've been having my Mugi Dragons grab a weapon, and they're grabbing the longest one here. And I got like, no, grab a smaller one. And they don't want to, and it's just like, go grab another one, a smaller one. So here, the other day we were doing a partner drill with these, and they started breaking on the tips of the bow staffs and kind of shattering a little bit. And so my mom took them home, and she cut off the bad parts and reordered a couple of them. And she's like, well, I'm gonna color coordinate these. So we have heights all the way up to 6 foot, all the way down to, I think this orange one is like a 3. I think it's just an odd one between 3.5 and 3 foot, somewhere around there. And then these are just the ends. These really small ones here are just the ends. Maybe this is the 3-footer here. But these are just for like my smaller Mugi Dragons are light, and they could have the ability to strike and do all the form with not a whole lot of extra bamboo flaying around, things like that. So it was a good idea, and these are just ones I pulled out, but let me go ahead and bring you over here. And I'll show you the stack of them that we have by the window here. So the stack of them is right here. So we got probably a good, probably 20. So the black one, so the color coordination that we did was the black duct tape is 6 foot. The red is 5.5. The blue is, I believe, 4.5, somewhere around in there. And then the yellow is about 3.5, 4, whatever. And then it just gets smaller, short from there. But I'm going to try them out today. We have 2 classes. We've got my Mugi, so I'm gonna try those today. And then we have a whole group. I got a huge junior class. We just signed two more students up the other day. So I got probably about four or five new white belts, new testing cycle. So that's good for them. They come in right on the right time. So I'm pretty excited. I will tell you how these work out, and if you want to color code your certain weapons or whatever, I tried to get people to buy these, but they're long, they're bulky, it's hard to get them in and out of the house. And the first few said, well, can I just leave them here? And I said yes, and then they just kind of stayed here. And so with this, I'm just going to probably not not try to sell these weapons. I'll probably just have them at the studio for the color belts, keep them as equipment. So that'll kind of be that. But I will definitely tell you guys how these work, if I run into any problems, things like that. And then if you have any questions, if you think it's a good idea, if you're going to try it, go ahead and comment down below. Until next time, guys, go ahead and train hard, train smart, and I'll see you in the next one.